Hi guys, let us continue where we left off. In this tutorial, we will be doing assembly and adding colors to the metal plate holders. Okay, this is the assembly product of the metal plate holders, and this is the SketchUp. Okay, we will bring out all the parts in this. Okay, how to do is you edit and hide all. As you can see, all the parts are there. Okay, so we will assemble it together. First of all, on the icon here, you see the X-ray icon. You click on the X-ray icon so that you can see everything. You see here, you can see the thing is in X-ray. Then you use the move tool. Okay, click on the item that you want to assemble first. Example, this U-shaped rod. I move it. Okay, I zoom it nearer, bring the thing to the bottom place and zoom it nearer again and assemble it from point to point. Okay, from point to point, as you can see, from point to point. Okay, cannot see, just zoom nearer, and this is the first one. The second one, same thing. Click on the icon that you require, bring it. Okay, bring it nearer. Place it. Okay, if you cannot see, just zoom it nearer. Don't worry. Okay, move it nearer so that you can see where you want to place the items. Next, the last one. Okay, click here. Okay, please first you delete the small square box here that we make from the previous item. Okay, erase, make this as a group again. Okay, make a group. Okay, make group, then move this to the other points here. Okay, zoom in, nearer. Don't worry about it, just bring and go to here. Okay, now after this, after we have assembled, this is called the assembly. Okay, this is the assembled product of the X-ray. Then how to add colors? Add colors on the right side. Okay, this side, right side. Okay, you see materials. Okay, this is the materials. Scroll down, see colors. Okay, colors. Okay, there's a lot of colors here. See all the colors. Check see which color you prefer. Okay, let's say I prefer yellow for the base, and I click here for the base. Okay, then I just use this paint bucket. Click. Okay, so that all my colors are there. Okay, for the whole items. Next, for the rod, maybe I like to use metallic metal, so I find metal. Yeah, that metal colors. I love the metal rusted, so I click this. Okay, same thing. Use the select tool, select on the item that you want. Use the paint bucket, click. As you can see, it's in the colors. Next, go to this, and I still use metal. I use this and I click. And I use another darker colors for the other one. Okay. For the other one, I use the metal still colors, darker colors. As you can see, this is the final product of the colors. Okay. Hope you enjoy the tutorial, and we'll meet you in another session of SketchUp. Thank you.